Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around here at Sunset Ford. If you're looking for a truck, you found a dandy one right here. This is the 2017 the Ford F150. Stock number is 7280. And a virtual video walk around is going to allow you to see this vehicle up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Now take a look of the exterior condition of this vehicle. Absolutely flawless. This has a 150-point vehicle inspection, 4x4 backup camera. It's got a clean Carfax history report. Oil changes for life. Look at that interior right there. Oil changes for life. Warranty protection for life. And we're going to go right on the inside right here. Take a look at the interior on the front. Driver's side, fully loaded. You know she's not going to last long. So do me a favor. For more information, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come down and see for yourself what everybody's talking about. It's the Sunset Experience. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Take care.